Very good morning, class. How are all you? I think that you all are good. You all are completed your A to H answers in your course copy from the chapter 1, that is a shot in the dark. Today I am going to complete the answers of some more questions which is given here below your H question. That is, these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Who is the other man traveling to Brill Manor, and what are three things we learn about him? Next is, which part or parts of the story show us that Philip Sletherby thinks highly of himself? And the last is, which parts of the story show us that it was written and is set in the past? Okay, students, we all completed our A to H questions in our course copy, that is on last Friday and Saturday. So you all have your holidays of Sunday and Monday, 2 days holidays you all are got. Today we all completed this 3 answers of this chapter. So where you write the H question, below that H question you can write your I question and complete your I, J and K answers. Okay, students, don't leave the page, just put it date over there, that is today is 26 May 2020. You have to put the date over there. Okay, and don't leave the lines, don't leave the page, you just complete the answers. Okay, first of all, I question is, who is the other man traveling to Brill Manor, and what are the three things we learn about him? So your answer is, the other man was traveling to Brill Manor in the same train as Claude people. Full stop. The three things that we learn about him are: first point, he is an important lawyer. Second, he does not like silence. And the third, he is a lover of golf. Okay, students. Next, see the J question. Which part or parts of the story show us that Philip Sletherby thinks highly of himself? So your J answer is, Sletherby indeed thought highly of himself. Full stop. It was evident from the fact that he was mighty pleased with himself on the Bertie episode. Full stop. He thought that this incident of his clever trap would earn him applause as a man of resource and cleverness. Okay, students. Now the last question is your K1. Which parts of the story show us that it was written and is set in the past? So your last K answer is, the story was written in the past, full stop. It shows from the fact that Sletherby was not aware of the changes made in Mrs. Salton Jago's life. Okay, students. So these are your answers, which has completed your chapter completely. That is A to K. So write down the answers in your course fair copy properly and neatly. I will send you the image of these answers after 5 minutes. Okay, students, after 5 minutes I will send you the pic of this answers, so you can write in your fair copy very neatly and learn your answers very well. This is your classwork, and today's homework will be that you all have to learn the word meanings of this chapter. In any time I can ask you the meaning, and if you cheat, then you will cheat with yourself, not with mine. Okay, So your homework will be to learn the word meanings of this chapter and complete your answers in your course copy. Okay students, take care yourself. Thank you class.